Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in FTMO account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ftmo.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of FTMO. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to log into your account, simply click on this option, client area. Now you'll be led to the official login interface of FTMO. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on this option, create a profile and create an account for yourself. Otherwise, you can simply log into your account. You'll be able to see the login methods over here. You can either log in with email, Google, Facebook or Apple. So simply click on the login method that you had used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email. If you also want to do that, click on the field of email and enter the email over here. Make sure to enter the valid email address. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in FTMO account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.